Claro Mobile Operator Review Usage Experience. Links to Claro's plans and services are in the description. Claro is one of the largest mobile operators in Latin America, offering extensive coverage, competitive pricing, and a range of plans for different user needs. It provides 4G and 5G networks in many regions, ensuring fast and stable internet speeds. Claro is designed for both casual users and heavy data consumers, with prepaid, postpaid, and business plans available. The prepaid plans are ideal for those who want flexibility without contracts, while postpaid options include unlimited data, international calling, and added perks like entertainment bundles. Claro also offers eSIM support, making it convenient for travelers. Network reliability is strong in urban areas, but coverage in rural zones varies depending on the country. Customer service has mixed reviews, with decent support in physical stores but inconsistent online assistance. Pricing is competitive, often cheaper than competitors, but promotions and benefits depend on the region. Claro's international roaming packages are useful, but can be expensive if not included in a premium plan. Additional services include Claro Video, Claro Music, and cloud storage options. Overall, Claro is a solid choice for those looking for affordable, reliable mobile service with strong data performance, especially in major cities. However, users in remote areas should check coverage before committing. If you need a balance of cost and performance with good data speeds, Claro is worth considering. Check the description for more details.